Good evening, students. Now we will discuss about some problems given by students of 9th standard. These problems belong to chapter number 7 and 8, exponent and logarithms. So first I will take from chapter number 7. Student, first is from exercise 7b. This is question number 11. If m not equal to n and m plus n raised to the power minus 1 into m raised to the power minus 1 plus n raised to the power minus 1 and this equal to mx and y, show that x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, with the help of this we have to show that x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, and if m and n both are not equal to 1. Student, we take this m plus n raised to the power minus 1 into m minus 1 plus n minus 1 and this equal to mx and ny. Okay, we write this m plus n. Okay, into, then we write this 1 by n and this equal to mx and ny. 1 by m plus n as it is into, we take LCM, m and LCM, then there is n plus m and this equal to mx and y. Okay, m plus n cancel out, then 1 by mn equal to mx and ny, and we write it m minus 1 and n minus 1. Okay, and this equal to mx and ny. Okay, student, then if we compare both, then x equal to minus 1 and y equal to also minus 1. Value of x and y both are minus 1. Then show that this plus this equal to 0. Then put in place of x minus 1. In place of y also minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, student, if x and y both are equal to minus 1, then this equal to 0. Okay, this is question number 11. Next, question number 13. If 4 raised to the power x plus 3 equal to this, find the value of 18x raised to the power 3x. Student, for finding this, first we solve for x. Okay, we take this 4 raised to the power x plus 3 equal to 112 plus 8 multiply 4 raised to the power x. Okay, we write this 2 raised to the power 2x plus 6 equal to 112 as it is, and we write it 2 raised to the power 3 and this 2 raised to the power 2x. Okay, then this complete 2x plus 6 and this come equal to 112 plus 2 raised to the power, then according to product law power should be added 2x plus 3. Okay, then 2x plus 6, we take this on left side, then minus 2x plus 3 equal to 112. Student, we take common from this 2x plus 3. 2x plus 6, we take common from both 2x plus 3 common, then there is only 3 power left. 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1 and this equal to 112. 2 raised to the power 2x plus 3 into 2 raised to the power 3, 8 minus 1, 112, and 2x plus 3 into this equal to 7, 112. 2 raised to the power 2x plus 3 equal to 112 by 7, and this equal to complete this 16. Okay, 2 raised to the power 2x plus 3 equal to, we write 16, 2 raised to the power 4. Student, if base are same and equal given, then power also equal, then 2x plus 3 equal to 4. We compare power, both are equal, then 2x equal to 4 minus 3, 1, x equal to 1 by 2. We find the value of x equal to 1. For use of x equal to 1 by 2, we put in this, then we find the value 18x raised to the power 3x. 18x raised to the power 3x, 18 as it is. Student, put the value of x 1 by 2 and raised to the power 3x to 1 to 9. Okay, then 9 raised to the power 3x. X in place of x 1 by 2. and we write 9 3 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 by 2. 2 power cancel because power to power according to power law power multiply. Then 3 raised to the power 3, and student we know that 3 raised to the power 3 equal to 27. Okay, then with the help of this we find the value of x. After that use in this, and this complete equal to 27. Okay, next I will take next question. Okay, this is next question. Question number 14, part number first. 4 raised to the power x multiply this equal to this, we find the value of x. Student, we write this 2 raised to the power 2x minus 2 multiply 0.5 1 by 0.5 means 5 by 10. 5 by 10 raised to the power 3 minus 2x equal to, we write this 2 raised to the power minus 3 and minus x. Okay. Then this 2 raised to the power 2x minus 2 5 1 5 2 1 by 2. We write 1 by 2 2 raised to the power minus 1 and multiply 3 minus 2x equal to 2 raised to the power minus 3 multiply minus x, then this equal to plus and 3x. Okay. Then 2x minus 2 multiply 2 raised to the power minus 3 plus 2x, and this equal to 2 raised to the power 3x. Then power base same power should be added. 2 raised to the power 2x minus 2 plus minus 3 plus 2x, and this equal to 2 raised to the power 3x. 2 raised to the power 2x, then 4x minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 2 raised to the power 3x. Okay student, then base same and equal given, then power equal. Then we compare power 4x minus 5 equal to 3x, 4x minus 3x equal to 5, then x equal to 5. Okay, value of x equal to 5. Then part number 4, 2 raised to the power 3x plus 3, we take this on left side, then minus 2 raised to the power 3x plus 1 equal to 48. Okay, then take common 2 raised to the power 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 common, there is only 2 power left. Because 3x plus 1 common, there is only 2 power left, and there is minus 1 equal to 48. 2 raised to the power 3x plus 1 into 4 minus 1 3 equal to 48, and 2 raised to the power 3x plus 1 equal to 48 by 3. Okay, this equal to 16. This implies that 2 raised to the power 3x plus 1 equal to 16. In place of 16 we write 2 raised to the power 4. Same as it is, power equal, 3x plus 1 equal to 4 and 3x equal to 4 minus 1 3, x equal to 1. Okay, then value of x equal to 1. Then next question. Question part number 5th. 3 into this minus this equal to 0. We find the value of x. Then we write 3 into 2x multiply plus 3 into 1 3 minus we write this 2 raised to the power x 2 raised to the power 2 plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Then 3 multiply 2 raised to the power x plus 3 plus 5 8, and we write 2 power 2, then 4 minus 4 into 2 raised to the power x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Then 3 2x minus 4 2x, then minus only 2 raised to the power x plus 8 equal to 0, and 8 equal to 2 raised to the power x. In place of 8 2 raised to the power 3 2x, then x equal to 3. Okay, value of x equal to 3. Next I will take question of from chapter number 8. Then this is question number 9 from exercise 8A from logarithm chapter. Log of x at the base 2 equal to m and log of pi at the base 5 equal to n. Express this in terms of pi. Student, we use only only for pi. This is first part and this is second part. We use this is used in first part. Express this in terms of pi. We write this. Student, first we write this according to exponential form 5 raised to the power n equal to 5 raised to the power n equal to y. Then we write this 5 raised to the power n raised to the power 3 and into 5 raised to the power 2. We write this in this form: 5 raised to the power 3 and 5n into 3 multiply 5 raised to the power 2. Okay, then 5 raised to the power 2, 25, and in place of 5 raised to the power n, y and y raised to the power 3. Then this complete 25 y raised to the power 3. Then use of this in a first part. Then this is question number 10. Log of x at the base 2a, log of y at the base 3a, write 72 raised to the power in term of x and y. First we write both of these in exponential form, then 2 raised to the power a equal to x and 3 raised to the power a equal to y. We take 72. 72 raised to the power a. Student, first we factorize 72. Then we write this 8 multiply 3 multiply 3. 8 3 is 24, 24 3 is 72 raised to the power a, and this implies that 8 means 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 multiply 3 means 3 raised to the power 2 and raised to the power a. We have the value of 2 raised to the power a and 3 raised to the power a. First we write this 2 raised to the power 3a, 3 raised to the power 2a. Again we write this 2 raised to the power a into 3 and 3 raised to the power a into 2. Okay student, in place of 2a equal to x and x raised to the power 3, in place of 3a this equal to y raised to the power 2. Okay, then complete x raised 3 and y raised to the power 2. Okay student, this is question number 10. Next I will take next question 11 and 12. This is next question, question number 11. Solve for x log of x minus 1 plus log of x plus 1 equal to log of 1 at the base 2. Student, according to product law, we write this log of x minus 1 multiply x plus 1 and log of 1 any base equal to 0, then complete equal to 0. Log of x square minus 1, this equal to a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square equal to 0. Let me take the base 10. Then according to exponential form, 10 raised to the power 0 equal to x square minus 1. Student, any number raised to the power 0, this equal to 1. Then in place of 10 raised to the power 0 equal to 1 x square minus 1. 1 plus 1 equal to x square and x square equal to 2, then x equal to plus minus root and 2. This is the value of x. Okay. Then question number 12. If log of this equal to this, so that x equal to plus minus 11. We have this log of x square minus 21 equal to 2. Student, we write this log of x square minus 21 equal to 2. And we write to log of 100. Okay. We know that this 2 and log 10 base 10. This equal to 2 multiply 1 then 2 and we take 2 power 10. Log of 10 raised to the power 2. This implies that log of 10 base 100. Okay. So we take this log 100. And this is log x square minus 21. Then by anti-log, log to log cancel. Then x square minus 21 equal to 100. And x square equal to 121 and x equal to root of 121, this equal to plus minus 11. Okay, then we have showed this x equal to plus minus 11. Okay student, these are some problems of its standard. I hope you like this video. Okay.